Hey, my peeps, I know I said the next time I cooked, I was going to cook steak. But when I went to the store, these legs was just calling me. So here we go. We're going to fry up some more legs. Wow, talk a little shit. Throw these up in there. Oh, that's going on. I talk a little shiznit. See that thing frying up in there? Yeah. And while we cooking this bird, talk a little shit right quick, you heard? You know how I do. Make sure this bird up in there real good though. Still ain't got no damn paper towels, man. Amazing. Anyway. As always, certain things bother me. Certain things don't. First thing I would like to say is you should never have to thank somebody for doing their job. So if you see somebody doing their job, you say thank you. You really shouldn't have to. I hate when people thank me for doing my job simply because I get paid to do a job. So the least I can do is do it. Now, the way you do it is another story. You can take pride in your work, or you can just do enough to get by. But you should never have to thank somebody for doing their job, because that's what they get paid to do, their job. Anyway, you know that I'm a man that loves relationships, loves seeing love. That's just how it is. And I like to base the things that I talk about off of experience. Now, some people, they too ashamed to talk about the things they may have went through in life, stuff like that, especially their failures. Listen, man, everybody isn't successful in everything they do. They gotta come up short in something at least once, even if they somehow mastered it later on. Come on, man. The first time you do something doesn't mean that you're going to automatically succeed. Anyway, especially when it involves somebody else, like a relationship. I'm fit to throw another warning or red flag. Fellas, when you first meet a female and you like her, first thing we do as men, we try to impress her. Which is cool. You're just meeting her, so you want to impress her. You want to stand out because you want her to choose you above the rest. You see all these married couples. I constantly ask that question. Damn, what made her choose him over all these other men or dudes or whatever? And vice versa. Boy, sometimes with men, it's easy because you can look at a woman and be like, I know why he chose her, especially if she's mad pretty, or she got a mad fat padonkadonk, or she got a nice, Hey, boy, me personally, I'm on with other people. They like a woman with brains, or a woman that they know is going to stand by them. That trumps all that other shit. Listen, man, you can have a nice booty or whatever the case may be, but if you want to bounce as soon as shit get tough, come on, man. Who needs that? Anyway, getting back to impression. Now, when you're first starting out, of course, you want to impress her. But if you find yourself needing or feeling the need to impress her 2 or 3 years down the road, especially when you get around other men, there's something wrong. Because if you feel the need to impress your woman 10, 15, we ain't even got to go that far. Because if you still trying to impress a woman 10, 15 years after you met her, man, you ain't never going to accomplish that feat. Now, I'm talking about 2 or 3 years down the road. If you still feeling that need, that means that you're insecure. Something that's going on got you feeling so insecure that you gotta constantly feel the need to impress her, especially when you are around other dudes. There's something wrong. And that's straight up. Because just your day-to-day actions, the way you carry yourself, the things that you do, the things that you say, the way that you think, should be enough to impress her. For her to sit back and go, damn, look at him, he's something else. No matter what, he get up, he go to work, he treat me good, y'all got kids or whatever, he beautiful to the kids. That's impressive stuff. To me, what's impressive is the qualities that you bring to the table. If you're just a bum-ass motherfucker, then that's not impressive. Those aren't qualities. Being a bum, begging, being dirty, not having your own, those aren't qualities. Or maybe those are qualities to someone that is just like that. So if there's a woman that's like that, that just don't give a fuck about nothing, that's just hanging on to life by a thread, then if she meets a dude who's doing the same thing, then that's impressive. So, but not to me. Getting up, handling your responsibilities, that's impressive. Now, I speak about that because in my last relationship, and when I say relationship, let me clarify that. A relationship to me is when two people agree to be committed to each other and they start proceeding from there. That's a relationship. That's an understanding that the two of you are both in something. It's not you think you're in there and she thinking something else, or she thinking you're in there but you're thinking something else. No, when you're both agreed, yeah, listen, it's official, we together. That's relationship. Anyway, now, in everything I do in terms of dealing with a woman, I'm confident. Because I know that I'm a good dude. So I'm confident in that. But at the same time, due to the fact that I have trust issues based off of past relationships, listen, sometimes men need assurance just like women. Men need to feel secure. Listen, man. Just because a dude got a dick and balls don't mean he can't feel vulnerable. And a real dude, a real man, he'll admit that. Because if you are in a relationship and you are not secure in that relationship as a man, it's going to show. And she going to see. A woman can tell a secure, confident man. True. But just because a man starts out that way does not mean he going to end up the same exact way. For instance, my last relationship, I'm confident, especially the way that we met, because she spoke to me first. So I'm figuring, okay, she spoke, so it's all gravy. So we get to talking, calling each other, chilling, shit like that. And so like maybe 6-7 months down the road, you know what I'm saying? Yo, we make it official. Okay, so cool. Now, age, I'm 56. So I'm not going to date a chick that's 20-something. Out of my age range. And I'm not going to be like, damn, you know what I'm saying? Damn. Worrying about, damn, what is other people going to think, even though it doesn't matter. If you're in a relationship with somebody, it's what y'all two think. As long as, y'all, it ain't no shit where you're taking the advantage. But if it is a straight up shit, then come on, man. Always remember, it's not what others think. It's not how you look to others. It's how y'all look to each other. If you like her and she like you, fuck everybody else. Period. Again, as long as it ain't no shit you're taking advantage. But if it's two grown, mature adults, have at it. Now again, like I said, age does play a part. Fuck the bullshit, because like I said, I'm not going to be dating somebody that I can be a grandfather. Come on now, come on, man. Come on now. No, absolutely not. Some people do it. Hey, that's on them, not me. I'm going to keep it official, and I'm going to keep it mature, you feel me? Anyway, now, if a man tells you, and I'm going to keep it on the eye, so I say something like, I noticed that you one of them type of attention-seeking women. For instance, one time, I supported her enrolling in school, going back to school, no doubt. Better yourself, no doubt about it. Now, again, I'm confident in me. In the bedroom and out of the bedroom. Confident. Because I know me. I know what I do. I know what I can do. I know my capabilities and I know my limitations. I know them. And I'm not going to bite off something that I cannot chew. Because then you end up looking like a fool. And that's the last thing that I'm trying to look like. I'm trying to look like what I am. A good, mature, loyal gentleman. Not a fool. Anyway, one time, right? Dropping her off at Bryan and Stratton. So when we waiting for class or whatever, and a busload of female athletes got off the bus and was going to go inside. My focus is still on her because she my woman. I don't care what's going on out here. My focus is there. Anyway, then a dude athlete bus came up. And they get off the bus. And they started heading in. All of a sudden, now she want to go in. Right then and there, I don't pull no punches. I don't care. I'm always going to listen. If I feel something or I see something, I'm speaking on it. Because if you hold it and you hide it, when it come out, it might not come out the way you need it to or want it to. But I'm going to give it, again, what I'm thinking though. I'm not just going to, no. I'm always going to be a gentleman. First and foremost. So when she talked about heading in, I said, yo, hold up, wait a minute. When the females wanted to go, y'all was going in, you was good all of a sudden. Now all of a sudden, these motherfuckers, and listen, I don't pull my tongue. Yo, nice with these Smitties, kid, nice. Anyway, so I'm like, yo, these motherfuckers, they going in, now all of a sudden, you want to, yo, listen. If you ever feel the need, yo, if you want to buy, just keep it 100. Don't play no funky ass games, because that's when, especially a gentleman like myself, start feeling some type of way. And then I start disliking you. And then I don't care how we separate, we can never be friends. Listen, I'm not friends with none of my exes. None of them. And again, when I say exes, I'm not talking about a female, yo, that I spoke to maybe for 2 months. No, not at all. Not at all. Not at all. I'm talking about like my girlfriend that I don't even mention no names, but my last girlfriend, bam. We knew each other for like 7 months, and we was officially together as girlfriend and boyfriend for 2.5, almost 3. Okay? The woman that I should have probably married, maybe had a child with, unfortunately passed away. You know? And see how I know that she probably was the one, because we had a little misunderstanding, you know what I'm saying? But it really wasn't a misunderstanding. It was just she was thinking, feeling something, and I was thinking and feeling something. She expressed how she felt, I expressed how I felt. And even though we like backed up just a pinch, we came right back. And before she passed away, things was like real nice. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, now like, see, now that's a relationship. Anything other than them, yeah. Back when I was like, but come on, man, that's clearly that didn't mean nothing or go anywhere, because where are they now? You know what I'm saying? So what the fuck? But I'm just talking about sincere shit. Anyway, the bottom line is I sometimes felt the need to impress her. You know what I'm saying? Like, get in the car so we could go places. Now we're mobile. Making sure she was straight. You know what I'm saying? Yo, just being an all-around good dude. You know what I'm saying? But again, I found myself having that need to impress her. And I was like, to myself at first, like, damn, man, yo, this doesn't, come on, man, you ain't got to be, come on, man, just you being who you are, that's an impression enough. Well, anyway, make a long story short, that shit was what it is, you know what I'm saying? And I don't judge the whole by the actions of a few, you know what I'm saying? Believe me, one day, I'll meet a proper chick, you know what I'm saying? And I'll know it's her because she'll understand. And the things she don't understand, she'll try to understand. And in order to gain understanding, you gotta ask questions. And that's another thing. Ladies, listen, if you want to know something about somebody, ask them. Don't go asking other people they may work around, because especially me, I don't be talking. Listen, man, you can't ask nobody, none of my co-workers, nothing about me. Except my name. I got a name tag. They can't even tell you how old I am, because I don't talk to them. So if you want to know something about me, you gotta ask me. I hate when fucking people. Oh man. And I hate snoopers. What the fuck is you? Listen, man. Check it out. When two people come together, right? Women. You say you like a dude. So, if you like a dude, your sole focus, your sole goal should be looking for things, other good things, to further attract you to him. You're not supposed to be snooping, trying to just find shit to either beef about, or leave them, or fucking back up from them, because it's like chicks meet a good dude. Let me move this a little bit over here. But y'all meet a good dude, right? And it's like y'all just can't believe that this dude is like he is. So y'all just trying to find dumb shit. Like, seriously, like, it's just saying something, wow, man, this is how he is. That is what drew me to him. Let me just chill with this motherfucker. Let us just mesh and proceed about life, man. Fuck all the other shit. Fuck everybody else. He is so far from abusive, especially those that have been through abusive relationships. What the fuck do y'all be thinking about when y'all find a good motherfucker, man? Y'all be bugging. Y'all just, you know what I'm saying? Seriously. And see, that's what I think. I mess up at. I always seem to meet a woman that is either just getting out of an abusive relationship, long-term probably, you know what I'm saying, seriously. Or a chick that was in a abusive relationship and thinks she's ready to start dating again. And here I come along, chilling like a motherfucker. And I open my motherfucking world up, which is a good world. And I'm not just saying sexually, I'm just saying period. Because that's just how the fuck I am, man. I like to have fun. I like to go places, experience new stuff, love music, love just hopping up into shit. But I like doing things with someone. And because I don't have anyone, all I do is focus on work. Focus on working my plants. And man, my plants are amazing. So that just goes to show how much I focus on. You know what I'm saying? I like watching, streaming certain shows. Like right now, I'm streaming The Office. Oh my God, the motherfuckers on that show. Amazingly funny. Amazing show. And I puff my little weed. Anyway, I don't know, man. Y'all, listen, man. If you meet a man, and dudes too, if you meet someone, judge that person by what they present to you. And as long as they don't change up, listen, believe in that. Add to that. Bring the goodness you have to that table. Instead, you coming to the table, knocking shit over, putting down some nasty ass fucking dishes of bullshit. Meanwhile, he got the table set with love. Come on, man. Y'all chicks be bugging. Anyway, like I said, but you don't judge the whole by the actions of a few. Anyway, just want y'all to see this chicken. See how your boy doing. You see how your boy do that thing there, huh? Woo! Yeah. Anyway, but this whole thing started out as simple, man. Men need to feel secure the same way women do. Yeah, I know the saying, happy wife, happy life. But sometimes you got to think about, listen, man, brother need a little bit of happiness too. You know what I'm saying? And you think because you break him off a little something. Listen, man. Yeah, that plays a part. But when a brother really trying to chill with you, it go way further than that. And just like y'all, you got feelings. And a real dude, a real motherfucker, he gonna show them shit. Listen, he gonna be honest. You know what I'm saying? Real men cry because I know I've cried. Cry like a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't gonna front. When an old girl left because it was the way she did it. The way she did it, man. Her the brother. Yo, so I dropped a couple. But once I dropped them, that's a wrap. One thing I never do is go back. Screw that. Because if you go back, that's how I'll be understanding. Break up, get back together, break up. No. If you break up once, what's to say you won't break up again? Especially if it's some shit she did. Listen, man, women don't do, and I've said this before, women don't do nothing, don't do things for nothing. They do things for a reason. We sometimes do dumb shit just because we just stupid like that sometimes. For real. But women, nah. You do have, like I said, you do have exceptions to every rule. You got some chicks that just do dumb shit. Just dumb shit. Hey, that's on them. Anyway, boy, yo, man, listen, man. Find a good dude, chill with him. Ain't no reason to be fucking around, you know what I'm saying? Hurting motherfuckers and all that. And it's like I said, I know. One day, man, watch. And when I do, you happy motherfucker, I'm gonna be chilling. Hope I meet it soon, because it's like I said, I would love to be a dad. I'll be an excellent father. What? Because it's simple. Listen, I know children are adults. Boy, simple rule. treat others the way you want to be treated. Just because they kids don't mean they can't be considered, appreciated, respected, thought about all the time. They're kids. They're supposed to be thought about all the time. And one thing you gotta definitely have, and I know for a fact, patience. Patience. Because they will test your patience to no end. And they will. Because they're kids. But I would love it. Oh my God, I would love it. Teaching them shit. Showing them shit. And one thing I will definitely do, you know how kids come to you? Yo, Dad, I need help with this. Do you know? And you really don't? Instead of trying to act, listen, keep it real with them. Because if you honest with them, then they'll see. It's okay to be honest about shit. Listen, no, I don't know. But guess what we're going to do? We're going to find out together. We're going to learn about this together. Even if it's something you should know. You don't know. But listen, you acting like you know ain't going to make you know. So you can either tell them, yo, listen, I don't know. But like I said, we're going to find out together. And you do. Go to the library. Now, keeping it real, Google is for a lazy motherfucker. That's why all that shit was invented. Google, booming, Alexa, just, yo, Alexa. That's for them lazy motherfuckers like, man. Because remember back in the days, you had to go to the library. You had to pick up a book. You had to find out. You know what I'm saying? Not now. Shit, you just Siri, Google. Look at that, y'all. Bam. And I got like 6 more in the pot. This motherfucking barnyard pimp. Hey, as they say, if they don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy. And I'm handy everywhere. Oh, and another thing that I realized, you know how they have arranged the weddings where they, families, they bring people, yeah. And that's especially prevalent, like Middle East, shit like that. Even some, like back in the days, them like dynasty families, Yao Ming and Qing Ying, you know what I'm saying? They join together and create big, boom, them rich ass families, this one marry this one, and they bring it together. So now instead of it just being a little force over here, a little force over there, they bring that shit together. Now it's a big, you know what I'm talking about. Well, them rich motherfuckers do. Anyway, but I understand, and I'm not being rude here. Boy, this is just the way I see it. The reason for that is so ugly motherfuckers can get a shot at having some pussy. They're getting a woman and all that. And vice versa. Because let me tell you something, man. Some motherfuckers need help. Listen, I seen a couple today. When I say this woman was beautiful, And this dude, listen, man, Listen, man. No, no, no disrespect, but kind of it is whatever. But listen, man. I'm just talking, yo. We just vibing. Anyway, I know that this dude ain't seen his jump off since his mama told him that he was a boy, that he had one. He ain't never seen it. And it's not that proper big dudes. No, that take a garbage bag, fill it with water, pin it across here. Then take two, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no way. And they had three blessed with three beautiful kids. Come on, man. And there was it's prearranged. Somewhere along the line, yo, man, that's pretty. She had some help, you know what I'm saying? And yo, Middle Easterns, listen, man, beautiful women. Oh, come on, man. Anybody that's been to corner store, yo, man, they men ain't, come on now. But the women is like long black hair, amazing, especially when they be doing the hand painting. They had that nice little marking there. They be in their garb. Oh my God. Come on, man. That's amazing. But with certain races though, they just don't give a fuck, man. They, I don't know, man. But hey, listen, man. Like I've said, you love who you love, and it's not how you look to others, it's how you look to each other. So if you got somebody, count that as a blessing, that Cupid aimed and hit his mark, you know what I'm saying? Man, because you got people that wish they were in a committed relationship with someone that they know without a doubt love. I remember this dude. This is one saying I remember, and this dude told me this when I was 18 years old. I never forgot it. And sometimes it's painful, but it's real. He said to me, and this was when I had just broken up, actually realized that the breakup with my girlfriend at that time, a girl named Cindy Picker, was official. I still thought, that I could still, I just had to get certain shit fixed, because back in the day, oh my God, I was incredibly shy, like painfully shy, inexperienced, and oh my God, it was but I was big, strong, handsome ass motherfucker, so oh my God. And they used to automatically judge, okay, he's strong, he probably gonna be fucking the hell out of me. But again, I was so shy and inexperienced that it was like disappointing. But he was young, and I didn't know how to express myself and let them know, listen, I'm feeling you, but I'm just shy. I'm just inexperienced. You feel me? And they was young, not even thinking that. First thing they think, oh, he don't really like me. And now we got drama and shit. Anyway, his name was Michael Boatwright. Michael Boatwright. Hey, if you out there and you just happen, or somebody watching this that know my boy, tell him. Anyway, he told me, never love nobody that don't love you. Never want nobody that don't want you. That's like the realest shit. Because Think about that. If you loving this person, but they don't love you, that's wasted energy. That's wasted love. That that's wasted time. Love isn't only from here. Love is also from here. Real love, because real love make you think about shit. Man, please don't get me started, man. I'm a G at this, man. Anyway, and never want nobody that don't want you. Listen, man, how you look, you chasing this woman, you trying. And they made it clear, even if they ain't verbally saying, they actions showing that, man, they don't want you. Man, what the fuck you want them for? Man, fuck them. Come on, man. You gotta place value on yourself before somebody else will. And if you can't find nobody, y'all, that's willing to, be by your damn self, man. Don't settle. Listen, man, I say women pick dudes. But just because a woman pick you, don't mean you, my brothers, my fellow men, my fellow gentlemen, just because she look your way, don't mean you got to look back. Fuck that. You get involved for whatever reason, and you know, yo, this shit ain't right. Man, listen, man. Be real about it. Back up out of that, man. Let that shit fade, man. You ain't gotta be rude. Just listen. Just let that shit fade, man. Because think about it. Is she really real towards you? Really trying to get with you, get at you? Soon as you start fading, she gonna start thinking, damn, what's making him do that? Must be something. And she gonna try to talk to you about it. She just ain't gonna be like, all right, whatever. Because if she go, all right, whatever, that means she ain't really give a fuck anyway. So what the fuck you want to be with her for? Come on, man. Please, man. Listen, man. Just listen. The actions of others doesn't necessarily have to reflect who the fuck you are. Just because somebody else turns out to be whatever doesn't mean that you was fucked up. Hell no. Especially if you know that you're a good person. Fuck that, man. Yup. He said that. And yo, I live by that shit, man. Fuck it. Hey, by myself? Fuck it. By myself. Life still goes on, hey. Life still goes on. Do I wish I was in fucking ag committed relationship? Fuck yeah. Hell yeah, why not? Fucking nice ass fucking female up in here with me chilling. Helping me with my damn videos and shit. Got so much shit I want to do. Come on, man. Hell yeah. Before you know it, a little pitter patter, little feet. Oh my God, what? Man. But hey, man, listen, man. Life is too short for the bullshit, man. But again, yeah, that's what those arranged little fucking marriages is for, man. Yo, to help ugly motherfuckers, because I'm telling yo, man, oh my God. It's like I said, man, that couples, yo, listen, man. I'll be wondering, yo, when I be seeing couples together, I ain't gonna front, yo. That's what I want to start doing shows on. I want those shows on Couples that I see that you can clearly see are together, especially if they're expressing that PDA, public displays of affection. Love that shit. Boy, I'm not talking about that scary, non-confident PDA. This is non-confident PDA. See a dude walking with a chick. He see you. You ain't paying him no mind. You trying to go where you going. Boy, honey, yo, she aight. Even if she ain't aight. Because I done seen motherfuckers do this with ugly chicks. And the first thing that goes through my mind is, listen, bro, just because you want her don't mean everybody want her. You ain't got to worry about that, bro. She all yours. Like, woo! Anyway, walk, bum. He see you, and first thing he do, he get up on it. Bro, goddamn, really, man? Ain't nobody looking at her like that, bro. Like, goddamn. Okay. That's that scary, non-confident PDA. He got to get all up on it to make sure. Look. Versus a motherfucker, listen, man. He know that's his. He ain't even got to worry about that. Even if you do holler, because you got some bozo-ass dudes. Dudes will see that this is your woman, and they'll still try to holler. And that's when you got to decide, is this going to be what we call a nigger moment, or are you just going to proceed and be a gentleman and just let her handle that? Because if a woman with you, if a dude holler, she going to check him. She going to check him. You ain't even got to say nothing. But if you got to get involved, okay, if she check him and he still try to holler, then you get involved because she tried to check him. Now you step up, you know what I'm saying? Yo, homie, yo, what's good? Come on now, what's good? You see what I'm saying? Now, if she don't check him and she get to keep keying and dump, listen, a brother like me, and there's only one me within that. Yo, what's good? Yo, he hollering. What's all the lap? Yo, what's it? Yo, as a matter of fact, bruh, you can take her home. I'm outie. Come on, man. Anyway, boy, that real PDA is where you peek them from a distance. And they just holding hands. You might stop holding hands when they talking, they laughing, and they touching. You can just see the flow. Sorry, man. Please, man. Don't get me started with this thing, boy. Anyway, y'all, it was nice chilling with y'all. The chicken is cooked. I talked a little shit. The moral to this is, listen, man, love is valuable. If you got somebody, hang on to them. And if it's not real, be mature enough to say, listen, man, this ain't